YouTube, SamuraiSchiavone here. Anyway, today I thought it'd be a good day to show off my Balisong moves. My little cheapo chrome painted big buck style blade Balisong. One of the first Balisongs I ever got. Thought I'd show you a few tricks I know. Basic horizontal open. Backhand open. A twirl. Backhand twirl. And these two moves I might mess up on because I'm still trying to get the hang of them, and they're pretty damn hard. The last two are called rollovers. The first one's the Y2K rollover. We turn sideways for this. Like I said, let's try that again. Last one of my favorites, the Zen rollover. That's about it. That's all I know for now, but I'll learn more tricks. I learned these tricks from a YouTube guy named Cutlery Lover. He's a pretty good teacher. Learn from him. Search him up for those who are interested in Balisongs and want to learn some good tricks. See ya.